Let's solve 1 over d plus 1 over n equals to 1 over z, and we're solving for z. So I want to solve this literal equation, but as I solve this equation, I do not want variables in the denominator. So what we will have to do is first find the least common denominator for d, n, and z. And the LCD is d, n, and z. So we're going to multiply all terms on both sides by the LCD. All terms on both sides by the LCD. So on the right hand side, the D's cancel out and we're left with NZ plus on the second term, the N's cancel out. We have DZ equals to, on the right hand side, the Z's cancel out. We have DN. Okay, so our goal is to have Z by itself. So next on the right hand, the left hand side, we have NZ plus DZ. We want to factor out the Z. So let's factor out a Z, and we have N plus D equals to DN. Z times the quantity of N plus Z. N plus D as in dog. And we're going to divide N plus D to both sides. And we have Z is equal to DN all over N plus D. There you go. Let's do another example. We have A is equal to N all over Z minus K, and we want to solve for Z. So I don't want the Z minus K in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by N minus K. Or is it N minus K? Let's correct that. Z, that is going to be Z minus K. I don't know where I get N from, but that's Z minus K. Okay, let me clean this up. Z, there we go. So on the right hand side, the Z minus K's cancel out, and we have A times Z minus K equals to N, and we want to solve for Z, and this Z is inside the parenthesis. So what we're going to have to do is distribute the A to the Z as well as to the minus K, because wherever Z is, the minus K is attached. So we have here AZ minus AK equals to N, and let's solve for Z. We're going to add AK to both sides. We have AZ is equal to N plus AK, and then the last step is to divide by A. And we have here Z is equal to N plus AK all over A. Now you can take this a step further. I'm going to put an OR. You notice that we can divide the A's out, or divide the A into the AK, but you have to divide the A into the N. So I can write this as two separate fractions. In order to reduce or to divide the A, you need to write it out as two separate fractions. And then we have N over A plus, and then on the second term here, the A's cancel out and we have K. But I definitely will accept this first solution.